Hey, hello! Welcome to Road Odyssey. Hey, hope you're doing great. My little fuzzy friend and I would like to thank you for watching this video. We tend to have a lot of these around our house. That and crawdads and whatever else. So, anyway, two car shows. One in Sachse, Texas, which is kind of in between Garland, Lucas, Plano, Rockwall. So it's just right off 78 here in Texas. So small show, wide variety of cars. So, but let me show you the map and get straight into what I saw.
Yeah, I saw the R8. That's pretty cool. Is that a SLS or what? Oh shit. Like the dog. SV, yeah. Wonder if we'll see an SVJ. That's nice. Yeah, I'm like you. I'm not 100% sure. Oh wait, there's a van. Like that green. That Dodge is from California. Self-made. You're right, it's 570S. Ready?
like I said, the second show was in Wolfe City, and Wolfe City is right off 34, just south of 11, so kind of 34 and 11 intersection. It's a very quiet little town with the exception of trucks, you know, farm trucks and tractors going through. But it was hosted by Danny. He and his wife were very nice to provide us some food if we wanted. So, and, you know, we just lined the cars up and down this really nice old brick street and just sat around and had a nice chit chat. So here is this little show.
See y'all. Have fun. I like it.
Well, Fuzzy Wuzzy and I would like to say thank you so much for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the video. Y'all have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye.